Good morning and welcome to our next step of narration. Let us begin our topic with some examples related to the reported verb in the past. In previous topic, we discussed about the chart that was related to the reported verb. When the reported verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is change. Let us revise the chart again. Present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Past indefinite changes to past perfect. Will, shall, will, can, may becomes should, would, could, might plus verb first form. Modals must, would, should, ought to, dare. No change in indirect speech. For past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change. So let us move to some examples. First, present indefinite. Present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Present indefinite becomes past indefinite. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Rana writes a letter, full stop, comma, closed. He said that Rana wrote a letter, full stop. She said, comma, inverted commas begin. Manoj loves his friends, full stop, comma, closed. She said that Manoj loved his friends, full stop. So, present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Present continuous becomes past continuous. The teacher said, comma, inverted commas begin. The boys are working hard, full stop, comma, closed. The teacher said that the boys were working hard, full stop. Rita said, comma, inverted commas begin. Raghu is reading his lesson, full stop, comma, closed. Rita said that Raghu was reading his lesson, full stop. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Hari said, comma, inverted commas begin. Hema has sung a song, full stop, comma, closed. Hari said that Hema had sung a song, full stop. Minnie said, comma, inverted commas begin. Manoj has passed, full stop, comma, closed. Minnie said that Manoj had passed. So, we have already discussed about the rules of the report of the indirect speech, that the reported speech is not placed within inverted commas. Reported speech is not placed within inverted commas. No comma is placed after. Set. The reported speech is introduced by the conjunction that. The tense of the verb in reported speech is changed from the present to past when the verb is in, reporting verb is in past tense. Next, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Example, Tini said, comma, inverted commas begin. Tinu has been working since morning. Full stop, comma, closed. Tinu said that Tinu had been working since morning. Full stop. Vinay said, comma, inverted commas begin. Vimy has not been learning a lesson for an hour. Full stop, comma, closed. Vinay said that Vimy had not been learning a lesson for an hour. Full stop. Let us move to past indefinite tense. So, past indefinite tense becomes past perfect. We have studied that present indefinite becomes past indefinite, present continuous becomes past continuous, present perfect becomes past perfect, present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Now next step is past indefinite becomes past perfect. Past indefinite becomes past perfect. Example, Avinash said, comma, inverted commas begin. Anu finished her work, full stop, comma, closed. Avinash said that Anu had finished her work, full stop. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Hina attended the function, full stop, comma, closed. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Hina attended the function, full stop, comma, closed. Avinash said that Anu had he said that Hina had attended the function, full stop. So, for past perfect and past perfect continuous, there is no change. So, there is no change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Only we will insert that after removing the comma and inverted commas. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Ram had gone there, full stop, comma, closed. He said that Ram had gone there. So, look here, there is no change. There is no change in the tense. We will only insert that by removing comma or inverted commas. So, he said, comma, inverted commas begin. Ram had gone there, full stop, comma, closed. He said that Ram had gone there, full stop. She said, comma, inverted commas begin. Rita had sung a song, full stop, comma, closed. She said that Rita had sung a song. See, there is no change in the tense. Next, past perfect continuous. There is no change in this tense also. So, let us move to some examples of past perfect continuous. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Rajesh had been reading for 2 hours. He said, comma, inverted commas begin. Rajesh had been reading for 2 hours. Full stop, comma, closed. He said that Rajesh had been reading for 2 hours. Full stop. My mother said, comma, inverted commas begin. Rahul had been doing his work since morning. Full stop, comma, closed. My mother said that Rahul had been doing his work since morning. Full stop. See, there is no change in the tense when there is past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech, and it will remain same in indirect speech also. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, Rajesh had been reading for 2 hours, full stop, comma closed. He said that Rajesh had been reading for 2 hours, full stop. My mother said, comma, inverted commas begin, Rahul had been doing his work since morning, full stop, comma closed. My mother said that Rahul had been doing his work since morning. So, let us move to our next step, that is shall, will, can or may. For converting direct speech into indirect speech, the present modals shall, will, can or may will change to should, would, could, might. So, for converting direct speech into indirect speech, the present modals shall, will, can, may are changed into past modals. So, shall, will, can, may are changed into should, would, could or might. Example, I said, comma, inverted commas begin, I shall go, full stop, comma, closed. I said that I should go, full stop. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, Minto will dance, full stop, comma, closed. He said that Minto would dance, full stop. My uncle said, comma, inverted commas begin, Rajan can stay at home, full stop, comma, closed. My uncle said that Raj could stay at home, full stop. The priest said, comma, inverted commas begin, it may rain any time, full stop, comma, closed. The priest said that it might rain any time. So, here are some sentences related to the modals having shall, will, can or may. For indirect speech, to converting from direct to indirect speech, these modals are changed into past modals, or shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might. And with the modals, we always use verbs first form. Next, these modals should, would, could, might, ought to are not changed. Listen, these modals should, would, could, might, ought to are not changed and remain same in the indirect speech, and remain same in the indirect speech. First, let us move to next example. She said, comma, inverted commas begin, I should not waste my time, full stop, comma, closed. She said that she should not waste her time, full stop. See, there is no change in the indirect speech. We will insert only that and remove comma and inverted commas. So, she said, comma, inverted commas begin, I should not waste my time, full stop, comma closed. She said that she should not waste her time, full stop. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, I would wait for my daughter, full stop, comma closed. He said that he would wait for his daughter. He would wait for his daughter. Raju said, comma, inverted commas begin, I could play chess, full stop, comma closed. Raju said that he could play chess. Rani said, comma, inverted commas begin, I might attend the function, full stop, comma closed. Rani said that she might attend the function, full stop. Naresh said, I ought to avoid bad company, full stop, comma closed. Naresh said that he ought to avoid bad company. So here are some sentences related to the modals should, would, could, might, ought to. And these modals are not changed and remain same in indirect speech. Next is must. Yes, for must. You don't have to change must for the reported speech. If must means have to, then you can change must to had to when reporting it. Otherwise, there is no use to change must. Listen. You don't have to change must for the reported speech. But if it must means have to, listen, but if must means have to, then you can change must to had to. I said, comma, inverted commas begin, I must study hard. So, I said that I must study hard. Or he said, comma, inverted commas begin, I must study hard. He said that he had to study hard. So, here, I must study hard means I have to study hard. I must study hard means I have to study hard. So, we will change this have to had to. So, he said, comma, inverted commas begin, I must study hard. He said that he had to study hard. They said, comma, inverted commas begin, we must finish the work in time. They said that they had to finish the work in time. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, they must act on this, full stop, comma closed. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, they must act on this, full stop, comma closed. He said that they must act on this. You can mention this over here, that. Now let us move to universal truth or habitual facts. Mention here that. This will convert into that. We will study the words showing nearness and distances later. Let us move to our next step, that is universal truth or habitual facts. If the reported speech starts some journal, universal or actual truth, proverbs, historical events in the past, improbable future conditions, then the present tense used there is not changed into past. It will remain same. Listen, if in universal truth, for universal truth or habitual facts, if the reported speech starts from some universal or habitual truth, proverbs, historical events in the past, improbable future conditions, the present tense used there is not change. The present tense used and there is no change, and they will not change into past tense. Example, the teacher said, comma, inverted commas begin, honesty is the best policy. The teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Full stop. Sarla said, comma, inverted commas begin, when Ram was reading, Sham was writing. Full stop, comma, closed. Sarla said that when Ram was reading, Sham was writing. The teacher said, comma, inverted commas begin, Akbar died in 1605 AD. Full stop, comma, closed. The teacher said that Akbar died in 1605 AD. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, I go out for a walk daily. Full stop, comma, closed. He said that he goes out for a walk daily. He said, comma, inverted commas begin, when I was at Delhi, I visited the Red Fort. Full stop, comma, closed. He said that when he was at Delhi, he visited or had visited the Red Fort. So here are some sentences related to the universal or actual truth, proverbs, historical events. So go through these sentences and study the rules also. And now your task is to revise this table related to pronouns. To convert a direct speech into indirect speech, the pronoun or subject or object in sentence is changed. So your duty, your work is to revise, to memorize this table, and we will discuss rules and related sentences of this topic in our next session. Thanks a lot.